Hello everybody and welcome back. So this is exactly where we stopped in the previous video. So today we'll be talking about a few things in the table tag. Okay, so let's talk about caption. Caption is just used to give the table a header. So this is how we do it. We call it the caption and then close caption. Let's say, okay, let's call this footballers and their current clubs. I know we have the age there as well, but let's just leave it like this. So this is the caption and this is what it does. Yes, you can see this. So you can make this bold or change the font. Obviously you can use CSS to do that, but you can also do that here. But let's just leave it like that just for the sake of this tutorial. And next thing we're going to be learning is called row span. Okay, so row span, this lets the table data stretch across multiple rows. Let's say for example, wants Cristiano Ronaldo to have more than one row. We'll come inside the opening tag of the data Cristiano Ronaldo and we'll type in row span. Enter. Let's say we want to give it 2. Let's say 2. Save that. Let's see what it gives. Okay, you can see Cristiano Ronaldo has more than one row. I know it messes up with this. You can see it moves Kylian Mbappe forward so that Cristiano Ronaldo can take the 2 distance. So that is exactly what it did. But normally I don't see why we should use that in this case, so I just wanted to show you guys. Then other thing I want to show you is the code span. As the name goes, is for the column. Okay, so it lets the data have more than one column. Let's say also Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's say, okay, or let's use a table head. Let's use one of the TH footballer. Let's say let's give it 3. Let's save that. Okay, so rows and columns, you can see what it does here. The footballer goes forward and everything just shifts. Okay, so this is exactly what it does. We can also change this so that every other thing shifts and aligns, but let's just leave it like this because of this tutorial. So yeah, that's that. We're done with this video. I'll see you guys in the next video because we're going to be talking about a very one of the most important things in HTML file, which is the forms. Okay, forms we're going to be talking about in the next video. So please do like, subscribe and ring the notification bell so when I post videos you'll be one of the first to see them. Okay, love you. Thank you so much.